just a quick visit to the Corniche Beach. Louvre, Abu Dhabi. Hindi na ako nakapasok dyan. Picture-picture lang sa labas at ayan, same spot pa nga kami dyan ni Jenny ng Blackpink. Magkaibang year nga lang. Yan o, yung Warner Brothers World. Na soon magkakaroon ng Harry Potter attraction along with the Disney Abu Dhabi. Malls like Yas Mall, di ako yan, nanood lang kami yan. Magandang training for skydiving, di ba? May bata pa oh, galing. Andito nga pala itong Ferrari World, maybe next time. And the Mall of Emirates with the Ski Dubai. On our next episode of UAE Tour 2025.